Hi everyone, my name is Steven Haines, and welcome to my course, Developing Python Apps with Docker. Docker, and the containers it enables, has become the de facto standard for running robust, large-scale enterprise applications, and Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the industry. In this course, we're going to learn how to develop Python applications and run them in Docker containers. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include Dockerizing a Python application, which includes building a Dockerfile for the application and configuring it to run in a container. Building multi-container Python applications with Docker Compose so that a single application can be broken down into multiple interconnected containers. Productionalizing a Docker-based application, including logging, external configuration, and Docker volumes, secrets, and networks. And debugging a Python application that's running in a container, using both PyCharm as well as Visual Studio Code. By the end of this course, you'll know how to develop, build, and deploy Python applications to Docker. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the Python programming language and have a basic understanding of Docker. Although this course will start teaching Docker from the very basics. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to Dockerize Python applications with the Developing Python Apps with Docker course at Pluralsight.